which would be covered in a horny substance, would actually dig into the prey. Then the neck would pull back and retract the entire skull, which would impart sort of a ripping or tearing movement. What's really interesting is if we actually CAT scan this guy, get inside and really see how he's constructed. What we'll do is we'll scan it pretty much in life position here.
At O'Bleness Memorial Hospital in Athens, Ohio, Chief CT technologist Heather Rockhold helps Dr. Whitmer prepare to scan.
All set?
Yep.
All right, let's go have a look.
Okay.
When we use something like CT scanning to look inside the skull of an extinct animal, what we see are basically the bones and the spaces within the bones and around the bones. The brain is long gone. Time has stripped that away. However, what we can do is still look at what the brain cavity tells us. And the brain cavity itself records the general shape of the brain. Huh, that's interesting. Here in the back part of the brain, so this must be the cerebellar region in there. What we see there is that the cerebrum is actually quite large and has large visual sensory areas within the cerebrum.
These attributes indicate to experts that detecting odors was not that important for terror birds.
That's interesting. It's sort of
Though these animals would not have turned down a malodorous scavenged meal, they primarily hunted down live prey.
The delicate canals of the inner ear, which are buried deep inside here, what those show us is that this two-part function of the inner ear, the one function associated with equilibrium or the sense of balance, the other with hearing, both of those are very well developed, suggesting that balance and sensing turning movements of the head, which is what the top part of the inner